Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. We will discuss lean manufacturing. What the lean manufacturing is? Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach towards business success and utilizes various lean tools for maximizing value and eliminating waste from a process and services to achieve perfection. The method strives to boost productivity by reducing waste, streamlining procedures, and lowering expenses. The main aim of lean manufacturing is to find better ways to eliminate lean waste and create value by just creating what is needed and avoiding overstocking. The approach enables the reduction of waste and inventory expenses. To accomplish the objectives, lean manufacturing provides the use of numerous tools and strategies. The widely used tools which are contributing to lean manufacturing are Kanban, second Kaizen, third VSM, value stream mapping, fourth 5S, fifth PDCA, plan, do, check, act, sixth Heijunka, seventh Pokayok, eighth Jiroka, ninth overall equipment effectiveness OEE, 10th Andon, 11th TPM, total productive maintenance, and 12th JIT, just in time. Let us discuss each tool separately. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. First, Kanban is a workflow management technique that aims to provide work in the best possible way across teams and organization levels. Second, Kaizen, the philosophy of continuous improvement. Kaizen's philosophy is based on small but continuous improvements in daily work rather than one large improvement at once. Third, VSM, value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is a lean manufacturing technique for illustrating, evaluating, and enhancing all phases of the delivery process. Fourth, the 5S method. The 5S method is a lean technique for maximizing process efficiency in workplace. The lean tool 5S includes 5 Japanese terms that all starts with S. First, Seiri means sorting out or strengthening up. Second, Seiton means putting things in order or systematic arrangement. Third, Seisho means clear up or clean the workplace. Fourth, Seiketsu means personal cleanliness or standardization. Fifth, Shitsuke means discipline or sustain. Number 5, PDCA, plan, do, check, act. Deming's PDCA approach is based on continuous improvement. Sixth, Heijunka, level scheduling or leveling production. Heijunka reduces inventory due to smaller batches and lead times since each product is produced more frequently. Seventh, Pokayok, a system for identifying errors and faults. The main objective of Pokayok is to prevent human and process errors in the first place, or at least easily detected and corrected so that mistakes do not turn into defects. 8. Jidoka, automation. Jidoka is also called automation and is described as automation with human intelligence. 9th, overall equipment effectiveness OEE. OEE is defined as the product of 3 defined measuring metrics: availability, performance, and quality. OEE is equal to availability into performance into quality. 10th, Andon, a production system errors alert systems. Andon is a visual feedback system that is designed to stop the manufacturing process when a defect arises. The machine or work is stopped until the issue is resolved. 11th, TPM, Total Productive Maintenance. TPM consists of 8 pillars as: first, automated maintenance; second, focused improvement; third, planned maintenance; fourth, quality management; fifth, early equipment management; sixth, training and education; seventh, safety, health and environment; eighth, TPM in administration. Number 12, JIT, just in time. JIT refers to the production and supply of the required quantity of items when needed. The goal of JIT is to reduce the levels of waste materials, time, excess inventory and efforts involved in the production process. Lean manufacturing follows the 5 lean principles defined by James Womack and Daniel Jones. The 5 lean manufacturing principles are: first, define value; second, map the value stream; third, create value; fourth, establish pool; and fifth, pursue perfection. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and press the notification bell. First principle, define value. Value is what the customer is willing to pay for. It is paramount to discover the actual or latent needs of the customer. Second principle, map the value stream. Activities that do not add value to the end customer are considered waste. The waste can be broken into 2 categories: non-value added but necessary and non-value and unnecessary. Third, create flow. After removing the wastes from the value stream, the following action is to ensure that the flow of the remaining steps runs smoothly without interruptions or delays. Fourth, establish pool. Inventory is considered one of the biggest wastes in any production system. The goal of a pool-based system is to limit inventory and work in process (WIP) items while ensuring that the requisite materials and informations are available for a smooth flow of work. Fifth, pursue perfection. Every employee should strive towards perfection while delivering products based on the customer needs. The company should be learning organization and always find ways to get a little better each and every day. Let us discover what kinds of wastes occur in lean manufacturing. Lean wastes come in 7 different categories, all of which should be removed from the workflow through ongoing development. 7 lean wastes. First, overproduction. Second, inventory. Third, motion. Fourth, defects. Fifth, overprocessing. Sixth, waiting. And seventh, transport. First lean waste, overproduction. In lean manufacturing, overproduction is a sort of waste that describes producing or generating work in excess of what is required, which results in further expenses for transportation, resources, waiting times, rework, etc. Second, inventory. An excessive overstocking of commodities or resources to accommodate unforeseen consumer requests is related to the inventory kind of waste. Third, motion. The term motion waste refers to any pointless movement of personnel or machinery that slows down production, compromises workplace security, or disorganizes a workspace. Fourth, defects. Any good or service that needs to be fixed or scrapped entirely is referred to as a defect and is sort of waste in lean manufacturing. Fifth, over-processing. All extra efforts that is not required by the client and results in resources and cost overages is referred to as waste. Sixth, waiting. In lean manufacturing, waiting is a sort of waste that refers to any service that is not in action, such as waiting for supplies or suppliers, equipment that is waiting to be mended, or individuals who are waiting approval. Seventh, transport. In lean manufacturing, transport wastes refers to any unnecessary transfer of resources or materials that costs money, compromises quality, and adds no value to the final product. Lean manufacturing is now successfully used in many different fields like application of lean manufacturing in healthcare, software development, project management, construction, banking, and education, etc. Let us conclude. Lean manufacturing offers many benefits from increasing production efficiency to better product quality. However, it requires careful planning and implementation and everybody's commitment. By applying lean principles and methods, companies can optimize their processes and gain a competitive advantage. Let us work together to apply lean manufacturing to our production processes. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video.